Times like these, I'm glad that I'm a girl. I don't have to shovel. Look at all that snow Izzy's buried under. That's crazy.
Wait, is he actually buried under?
Look how much snow. Oh my god. That's crazy. I told him not to touch the bench because I'm measuring from that. That's probably like 2 feet already. And it's not going to stop snowing till tomorrow. Izzy! Say hi!
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah, we wanted to remove the snow from the patio because or else we didn't want it to. What the hell are you doing with your little sister? Wow, Ralphie.
What?
Why'd you take her out?
Because I wanted to see them.